Let's talk a second about what are the signs of scoliosis. We talked about symptoms, pain levels and so forth. Obviously, I should add that there's also stiffness associated with scoliosis because people lose one of the ranges of motion. Like say, for example, they have a curve going to the right, they're going to find it more difficult to bend to the right because they're going against the curve. If they go with the curve, they can move easier. So this is one of the ways that we can identify the scoliosis in the physical examination. But the signs of scoliosis are, how does it appear? What does it look like when somebody has scoliosis? You're often going to see a shoulder elevated. And why? Again, the rib cage. As the spine tilts, the rib cage has to go with it. So the whole side of the body is going to be dropped down. We're going to see one hip extending out. Why? Because the spine is twisted and it's going to push one hip out. We'll often see a shoulder blade sticking out. So when the person bends forward, and again, it's all about the rib cage. As the rib cage rotates back on the right side in a typical case, the shoulder blade is going to be sticking out. And this is especially prominent when the person bends forward. We're going to spend some time talking about that in another video about how to specifically evaluate your child to see, do they have a scoliosis? This is something that we teach the parents because we have many parents that have scoliosis and their kid has a mild case. Now they're very worried. What's going to be? Is my child going to develop the same condition that I have? So we want to get that child in here as early as possible. We want to teach the parent what to look for, and we show them to evaluate the child. Waist, hip, shoulders, shoulder blade, all these things together give us a picture of what's called the signs of scoliosis. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.